I really came in with no expectations. It's been great. The speakers have been really engaging, really informative. It's good to actually know that some of the struggles that we face as a business and a team and a finance team, other people are experiencing that, and picking up the learnings of some of what to do, but some of also what not to do has been very good. Yeah, the Michael McQueen session was actually really great too. Very good. Yep. Yeah, so I've had a couple so far. It's more just seeing what's there, the ideas and what's actually out there and how they're able to assist. That's been really informative. Just knowing that something's there is sometimes half the battle. So being filled in on what's out there, what you can utilise it for, and how they may be able to assist us as a finance team in getting more efficient, quicker, faster, leaner, meaner and more agile has actually been really handy. I would summarise it as it's a very worthwhile experience. As I said, not coming in with no expectations, having no idea what I was getting myself into. It's been informative, it's been a pleasurable surprise on how to spend a Thursday, much better than being in the office and reading emails all day. So, but yeah, it's been really informative, really it just feels really easy and flows very well in learning. So it's been great.